Have y'all heard in 1888 the first typewriter patent was granted and it typed slower than a turtle on a Sunday stroll? Coming at you. Y'all, on August 21st, 1888, the typewriter got its first U.S. patent and it was clunkier than a tractor in mud. That's clunky. William Burt's typographer took forever to type a letter, but it sparked a revolution. By the 1900s, Southern newspaper offices were clacking away, spreading news faster than gossip at a church picnic. That's pretty fast. This machine paved the way for modern keyboards. Imagine typing this script without it. Couldn't have done it. Check out history.com to learn more. Y'all, fried okra is the South's crispy green gold, battered with Martha White cornmeal and sizzled in a Lodge cast iron skillet. It's a sidekick to a Bojangles meal. Okra's been a Southern staple since African slaves brought it over in the 1700s. Per southernliving.com, they told me that. Fun fact, a cup of okra has 33 calories, but tons of flavor, especially with a dash of Texas Pete. Whether at a Georgia Welcome Center picnic or your mama's kitchen, fried okra's a crunchy hug. Who's frying something tonight? Y'all, today's Saucy Southern Story is brought to you by Bluebell Ice Cream, cooler than a Yeti on a summer day. On August 21st, 1965, Mississippi County Fair in Biloxi crowned its first peach pie queen for a pie so good judges ate 3 slices each. The winner, Miss Clara, used local peaches and a secret crust recipe. It's true. Yet folks from Alabama drove for a taste, scooped some Bluebell peach cobbler ice cream to celebrate this sweet Southern legacy. Psalm 16:11 says, "You make known to me the path of life. You will fill me with joy like a sunny day at a Tennessee Welcome Center. God's guidance brings pure joy. Walk that path, y'all." Y'all, on August 21st, 1990, Garth Brooks' The Dance was #1. Known was lyrics, "I could have missed the pain, but I'd have missed the dance, hit harder than a Waffle House coffee." Imagine singing that while two-stepping at a barn party. You can check out billboard.com for more. Garth's still dancing, y'all. That's all for today's Have Y'all Heard, because now y'all have. Go and leave a comment if you're smart or smiling or hungry. Until next time, later taters.